You did crazy, oh, you ain't on the payroll. Can't be hanging with the same bros. We don't even go to the same shows. So please be quiet. I'm being polite.
Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's Big John here. The app's at the bottom of the screen if you like to listen to my music. So is all the relevant information I'll be speaking about in this video. And today, you know what it is. I'm back again with some more free pips. That's why I keep putting the caption there. I keep putting free pips, free pips, free pips. If you'd like to get into my mentorship or my signal group about any of these trades or anything like that, then please hit me up. The link is in the description below. In my mentorship, I actually go over the minor pairs as well as gold, as well as some of the indices as well. So you'll be able to capture a lot of these pips or have a broader aspect on being able to see so many different pairs doing whatever they need to be doing and pairs you might be interested in. But without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Let's go. Okay, so now you're on my chart. You know I have Euro USD over here on the left on the daily chart. I have Euro USD over here on the weekly chart right now. So I always have a daily on my left and a weekly on my right for those that are new to the channel. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to give you a little bit of analysis on charts. I've already drawn out all the zones I believe it might go to. So we can see right now Euro USD, it did do what I said. It did buy from here last week and bought out all the way up to here. So there was some liquidity around this area here left on the daily chart. So I did believe that even though it did stop here and started to sell, then there was a continuation of a buy. And this is what I did tell people from like Wednesday last week, that I believe it can go up to this area. Then on Thursday, as you can see, there was a pullback and then it did a continuation with high impact news to go and cover this liquidity right here. So if they are going to do a continuation of a buy, we're looking at price going to around this level up here, which is 1.18946, and this is a weekly level of liquidity. If you can see over here on the weekly time frame, if it does decide to reject off a level and sell, then we might be seeing a sell from here 1.18045, and we might see a continuation of a sell to go clear this daily liquidity here. So we just have to see what the market does. If we see a break up above this level, we might be looking for a break, a retest, and a continuation, or we could just be seeing a clean break heading straight towards this area here. We can see there's one little bit of liquidity here and a lot of weekly liquidity over here. GBP JPY. So what we have seen is that price has refused to break this level right here, which is 151,346. So we can see that the price did go up here on Wednesday. Thursday had a rejection, and then Friday it had an indecision candle right here. So it was kind of half and half, basically, kind of a doji looking candle. And we can see it left liquidity on the daily chart down here. It's left more liquidity on the daily chart right here with the wick. So what we could see now, if price does respect this level right here, then we could be seeing a continuation of a sell down towards this level here. And you can see right here, that's 150.009. We could be seeing something like that. If not, then we're going to see a continuation up to this level here where the liquidity is right here. So we'll say our target zone will be 152.214. So that's if we do see a break of this level right here and then a continuation to about this level here. So that's what we could be looking at on GBP JPY. Okay, GBP USD. Now we can see price has found a zone right here. It did manage to catch. This was the liquidity here left on the daily chart, and we can see that price did manage to buy up. It stopped halfway, then there was a rejection, a fake out rejection, because they knew news was coming in. And what they did do on Friday is they brought price back up. And what did price do? Price went to go cover our original zone that we thought price might go towards, which was 1.37831. So if we see a rejection of price around this level and we see it start to sell, then possibly, of course, we'll be looking for a level like here, 1.137277. If it does not reject off this zone here, then we can be looking at a continuation of the weekly liquidity zone. It could be heading for up around here of a continuation of a buy. So we're either looking for something in between, either or, but we need to see something happen. So rejection, sell, or a breakthrough and a continuation of a buy. USD JPY. Now we can see the same type of thing is happening here. So this pair, like I said, there's not much happening on this pair. We just need to even go over to the weekly time frame to look at this. And if we go over to the weekly time frame, we'll see right here that we've got liquidity down here, we've got liquidity up here as well, and of course liquidity here and all these other zones. So right now we're waiting for this pair to do a huge breakout. So this is what's happening. USD JPY, USD CAD, these type of pairs, they love to do this type of thing. USD CHF as well. What they seem to do is they seem to like to consolidate a lot of the time and then do a huge breakout at some type of point. So right now we're looking for a breakout either to the upside or to the downside, and from there is where I'll suggest you start to look for a trade setup. And when I'm talking about a huge breakout, you can start to see a breakout forming here for a sell on USD Swiss franc. So if USD Swiss franc wants to continue to sell, if it does find a support here once it clears this liquidity, and then we could see price buying back up towards this weekly liquidity zone all the way up here. AED USD. Now you can see what I'm talking about, a breakthrough. So if we see the other USDs doing a breakthrough like this, you can see a clean breakthrough. So right now we can see a rejection off of this zone here, which is 0.73359. We can see a rejection off of here, consolidation and a sell back down to one of these levels, this one here and then this one down here. If not, we're going to see a breakthrough and a continuation to what we originally thought and suspected from Monday of last week, which was price might be going towards this weekly liquidity zone up here. If so, then that would make sense, and then we'll be looking at a rejection from a zone up here for continuation of a sell back down to any one of these two levels here. USD CAD, now this is still good, still valid. We can see that price has rejected off the 50% on the daily Fibonacci at 1.27126, and price might find a support here. If it continues to find a support here, which is 1.25775, if it continues to find a support here, then we're still going to be looking at a target zone of up here, which is 1.28790, which is the weekly liquidity it left behind. So if it does do that, that would be perfect for us. If not, if it does break through this level right here, then we should be looking at a continuation of a sell down towards this weekly liquidity zone right here. And just like that, easy as ABC, I have already done all of the analysis. Like I said, if you would like to join up my mentorship or my signal group, please just go into my Discord. The link is in the description below, and then give me a direct message. Trust me, the price is not going to stay the same. I've been doing it for a year now, so the price is going to be going up very, very soon, and you want to make sure you get into there because I am teaching people how to trade. That's just the truth of it, and people are becoming profitable and knowledgeable on trading. Most importantly, it's not even about the money that I care about in mentorship. It's about the knowledge that I'm putting together for what you're getting for the price it is. Trust me, it's very worth it. So just hit me up, let me know what's going on. That gets you into entries for a lot of these trades and other pairs. Like I said, I do majors, minors, metals and indices in the mentorship group. This is just the majors pretty much here I'm doing for you on YouTube. I'm still trying to let people eat out there. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Come on, don't be shy and don't be cheating on me. I see you. I see you. Don't be cheating on me. Come on, man. Come back home. Give me some likes. Give me some comments. Give me some shares. Give me some subscribes. It's your boy, Big John, and I'm out.